Searching for a job can be one of the most challenging and transformative experiences in life, especially when you're starting out or facing unexpected changes in your career. The world often tells us that having a college degree should make everything easier, but the reality is that finding employment, any employment, sometimes means stepping outside of our expectations and embracing opportunities wherever they appear. When you're without a job, the most important thing is to take action, to support yourself however you can, and to create a foundation for your future. It's natural to feel pressure, whether from yourself, your family, or society. But remember, your first job doesn't have to be your dream job. It doesn't have to align perfectly with your degree or your long-term ambitions. What matters most is that it allows you to support yourself and gain valuable experience. Every job, no matter how small or seemingly unrelated to your goals, teaches you something. It could be how to work in a team, how to communicate effectively, or how to solve problems under pressure. These are the building blocks of a resilient and adaptable career. Sometimes, making the decision to leave your comfort zone, literally and figuratively, becomes the push you need. Telling yourself that you won't come home until you've found a job is more than just a motivational tactic. It's a declaration of intent. It means you're ready to take control of your circumstances, to put in the effort and the hours, and to refuse to let setbacks define your journey. It's about perseverance and the willingness to do whatever it takes to move forward. When you're out looking for work, don't be afraid to cast a wide net. Walk into small businesses, ask if they're hiring, and leave your resume. Apply online to positions you might not have considered before. Network with friends, family, and acquaintances. Sometimes the best opportunities come from unexpected places. If you're willing to accept any job, you show employers that you're reliable, adaptable, and eager to work. These qualities are often valued more highly than specific credentials. Supporting yourself isn't just about earning a paycheck. It's about developing independence, confidence, and a sense of purpose. The money you earn, no matter how modest, allows you to meet your needs and plan for what comes next. It gives you the breathing room to think about your long-term goals, whether that means continuing your education, saving for a bigger opportunity, or starting your own venture. Every shift, every task, every interaction with a coworker or supervisor can become a step toward the next stage in your journey. Remember to take care of yourself during this time. Job searching can be exhausting, both physically and emotionally. Celebrate your small victories, whether it's landing an interview, receiving positive feedback, or simply handing out another application. Each step forward is progress, even if it doesn't immediately lead to your ideal job. Ultimately, finding work when you need it most is about resilience and determination. It's about being open to new experiences and refusing to let setbacks define your story. The job you find today may not be the job you want forever, but it can be the stepping stone that leads you to something greater. Stay persistent, stay hopeful, and remember that every effort you make now is an investment in your future. The journey may not be easy, but it is always worth it.